Mini Dev.
Hello, little programmers. Welcome to the magical world of programming. Have you ever wanted to bring your ideas to life? Today, we're going to learn how. Imagine you have a robot and you want it to do something. To get it to act, you need to give it specific instructions. That's programming. But what if you want the robot to do different things depending on the situation? That's where flow control comes in. Think of a traffic light. If it's green, you walk. If it's red, you stop. That's real-life flow control. Think of a traffic light. If it's green, you walk. If it's red, you stop. That's real-life flow control. Instead of telling it to dance 5 times, we can use what we call loops and tell it, dance 5 times. And it will. But what if we have many options and want the robot to pick one? We use switch or cases. If you press the red button, the robot sings. If you press blue, it dances. And if you press yellow, it spins. All right, now that you know about flow control, it's time to practice. Are you ready to program your own robot? Remember, programming is like giving instructions. And with flow control, you can make those instructions super